So I've got these few sprouts from an onion. I just separated this morning when I cooked my vegetables. So these are the sprouts. I got couples here from just one onion, and I've got already some bottles and juice containers, filled up with compost and some soil. Yeah, this is my little compost here. I chalk everything in there, like all the wastage, all the bits and pieces that gets left in the kitchen, and I mix with bit of sand, and then with a bit of soil. I mix it together. There is some still to be decomposed, and then I just fill up with anything I've got, like mineral water bottle, juice containers, anything. So I've got few already made up for the onions. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this onion sprouts. Okay, so I'll just take this and then just take this one and then I just use a small stick or something just to make a hole in the in the soil. Yeah, just like that, and then just pop this in there, just like that. So it's ready to go. Just like that.